All right, you guys, we're going to do a quick lesson on homophones, homographs, and homonyms. All right, so follow along this little slideshow and just kind of take notes as you go, okay? And I'll go through it with you. All right, and yes, I have the magic pen open. It's right there. All right, homonyms, homographs, and homophones. All right, well let's do this. All right, so there it is. All right, so homonyms, homographs, and homophones. All right, so I'm going to show you the difference between them. So a homonym is a word that is spelled the same, okay, and pronounced sounds the same as another word, but it has a different meaning. So take a look. This is what I mean. Address. There's two meanings for this word, and they're spelled the same. And look, I'll do it right here. We'll get her done right here. Look. We have address and address, right? Address is a place where people live. Address is to speak. Hey, give me your address. Hey, address the class. They sound the same, they're spelled the same, but they have different meanings. How about this one? Book, right? Book, a written work, like something you read, or book to reserve. Hey, did you book a room? Are you following me on this one? How about present and present? I wonder if you guys are getting this. These are homonyms. Present, a gift. Present, in attendance. If I say Action Jackson, he'll say present, meaning he's here. But he doesn't mean a gift, right? See how these two words have different meanings? Right? Root and root. Okay, root, a part of a tree, and root, to look for. Don't go rooting through my book bag, right? All right. So now you have homonyms. So you can write this down on a sheet of paper. You could write down a homonym is a word that's spelled the same, pronounced the same, but it has different meanings, right? Homonym. So you might just write the word homonym down, right? And you might write this, spelled the same. Okay, bullets. Sounds the same. Bullet. Different meaning, right? There it is. Spelled the same, sounds the same, different meaning, homonym. There's your note for that one. All right, let's keep on keeping on. Let's keep on trucking. All right. Now, let's put it to the test now. You ready? Put it right to the test. I can do that. You ready? Let's put it to the test. It says on your whiteboards, but you can just, on a sheet of paper, just follow along with me. It says, see if you can identify the homonym in this little paragraph. Right, here we go. Ready? You made sure to find the right bus to get to Ohio State University. But a block before Fifth Avenue and High Street, stop. You saw the bus coming from the right. Right? That should be a block. But a block before the Fifth Avenue and High Street stop, you saw a bus coming from the right. What word is spelled the same, sounds the same, but each of them has different meanings? You made sure to find the right bus to get to Ohio State University. But a block before Fifth Avenue and High Street stop, you saw the bus coming from the right. I think it is right as in correct, and right as in direction. Right? So right, right? These are homonyms because they sound the same, they're spelled the same, and they have different meanings. All right, let's keep rolling. Let's keep right on rolling. Some words are spelled the same, but are pronounced differently. These words are called homographs. So let's do it. Homographs. All right, here's an example. Bass sounds like ace, a type of instrument, right? Bass sounds like crass, a type of fish. So long, short, right? Close sounds like dose, near. Close sounds like shows, to shut. So close means near, close means to shut. Spelled the same though, but they're pronounced differently. They sound differently. Live sounds like give, right? To exist. Live sounds like dive, means in person, right? They're spelled the same, but pronounced differently. How about wind? Sounds like find, to bend, as in a road. How about wind? Sounds like pinned, blowing air, right? So they're spelled exactly the same, but they sound differently. Homograph is what you're talking about there. So in your notes, you could write homograph and then describe it. Spelled the same, sound different, different meanings. So homograph is spelled the same, but sounds different and has different meanings. There's their little note for that one. All right, let's keep on keeping on. I'll do this. All right, let's take a look-see and see if you can find the homograph. If you get too close to a light bulb, you want to close your eyes. Yep, close, as in near. Close, as in shut. Let's read the synonyms. If you get near a light bulb, you want to shut your eyes, right? Or if you get too close to a light bulb, you want to close your eyes. There it is. There's the homographs that we just identified. All right. Let's keep on keeping on. Finally, some words sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. These words are called homophones. 8 and 8. 8 as in the past tense of eat, 8 as in the number, see as in a body of water, and see as in to look. There, possessive form of they, there, a place, and they are, there, a contraction for they are, right? 2, a type of preposition, to, also, and to the number 2. All right, you're more familiar with these, right? You are. Now, homophones, you would write down like this for your notes. Okay? Spelled differently. Spelled different. Sound same. Different meaning. Different meaning. Right? So homophones are spelled differently, but they sound the same and they have different meanings. 8, 8, C, there, 2, 2, 2. All right, you've got it. All right, so let's do one last little example. It says, find the homophones, right? I want to get a second dog, but my mom says 2 is too much work. Come on. Get bad, son. Right? There it is. 2 and 2. All right. There you have it. Do that. there. Just flip over. All right. So now we'll get back here. All right. So you have that. Use this to help you with your homophone and homograph and homonym challenge today. All right. Tadero out.